Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Suma. In today's video, we'll learn about adverbs. We'll understand the definition, types, examples, and how to use adverbs correctly in sentences. Let's get started. An adverb gives us more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how something happens, when it happens, where it happens, how often it happens, or to what extent. For example, she sings beautifully. He arrived late. Now, you may be wondering, why do we need adverbs? We use adverbs to make our sentences clearer and more meaningful. They give extra information about an action, making it easier for the listener or reader to understand. There are 5 main types of adverbs. They are adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree. Let's learn each type one by one with simple definitions and examples. Adverbs of manner describe how an action is done. For example, she speaks clearly. The baby slept peacefully. The words clearly and peacefully explain how the action happened. Adverbs of time tell us when an action happens. For example, I met him yesterday. She will come tomorrow. Yesterday and tomorrow tell us the time. Adverbs of place tell us where an action happens. For example, please sit here. They looked outside. Here and outside tell us the place. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often we do something. For example, I always wake up early. She sometimes drinks coffee. Always means every time. Sometimes means not every time. Adverbs of degree tell us the intensity of something. For example, she is very happy. The food is too hot. Very and too increase the meaning. Let's test your knowledge. Pause the video and answer these questions. Did you get them all correct? Great job. Let's quickly recap today's lesson. We learned what an adverb is and why we use it. We also learned the 5 main types of adverbs: adverb of manner, time, place, frequency, and degree. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Suma. In the next lesson, we'll learn about prepositions. See you in the next video. Happy learning. Smile.